Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to start lesson 22, this and this, that and those. This and this, that and those. We use this and that for naming words that mean one. Students, we use this and that with singular noun. Then, we use this and this for naming words which are near us. Students, remember, we use this and this for naming words which are plural and which are near to us. We use this or those for naming words that mean more than one. We use this and those with plural nouns. We use that and those for naming words that are far from us. Look at these pictures and read the sentences. This is an elephant. Students, you can see in these pictures, here we are talking about only one elephant. So we use THIS, this, with it. Then second, this is a giraffe. These are books. Students, here we are talking about only one giraffe. So we use this. Then here we are talking about more than one plural nouns. So we use THESE, this. These are books. We use this with singular noun. We use this with plural nouns. These are pens. Students, here you can see there are 4 pens. So we use these. These are pens. Then that is a bird. Here you can see we are talking about only one bird. So that is a bird. We use that with singular noun. Then those are birds. We use those with. Now let's start exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with this or this. So students, we use this with singular noun. We use this with plural nouns. So first, dash boy. So this boy. This is a boy. Second, dash girl. So this girl. This is a girl. Third, dash teddy bear. So this teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. Fourth, dash bag. This bag. This is a bag. Fifth, dash table. So this table. This is a table. Sixth, dash chairs. So these chairs. These are for chairs. 7 dash toys. These toys. These are toys. 8 dash roses. So these roses. These are 2 roses. 9 dash caps. These caps. And 10 dash books. So these books. These are books. Then exercise 2. Let's start. First, Nikki, please paint dash picture. So here we are talking about only one picture. So we use this. Nikki, please paint this picture. Second, dash aeroplane is up in the sky. So aeroplane is far from us. So we use that. Then third, dash chairs are new. So these chairs are new. Fourth, you blow dash balloon. So here we are talking about only one balloon. So we use THR as this. You blow this balloon. Dash peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. That or those. So we use that. That peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. 6. Dash clouds are grey in color. So those clouds are grey in color. Then exercise 3. Match with that or those. We use that with singular noun. And we use those with plural noun. So hills. So here we are talking about more than one. So we use those. Those hills. Then hut. Here we are talking about only one hut. So we use that. That hut. Then elephant. Elephant is only one. So we use that. That elephant. And birds. Here we are talking about more birds. So we use those. Thank you everyone.